Chat reporting live. Alvin Chris from the SIP. Today we are installing a TV mount. This right here, and we're installing it in the truck. I knew this. It didn't come with a TV mount, but I said it's got to be a way. So today I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and we're gonna rock it from there. All right. So I've already pre-drilled. Well, you probably can't even see it now, but let's get focused. I pre-drilled 2 holes there, and it's in the way. They're in there. Pre-drilled holes with a 5/8, I believe it was 5/8. This is what I used right from Home Depot. If it's drywall, 120 pounds, 85 pounds, and drill size 5/8, and it's simple. This little butterfly clamp here, once you drill your hole, you put your screw through. Once it's on there, you feed it through the hole, and once it's completely through.
You can fix this on the PlayStation.
Yeah, Daddy will fix in just a second.
Okay.
This here into the drilled hole, close it down. It's going to go through. Once it gets all the way through, it'll open up, so then as you tighten down, it'll hold it in place. And that is what I'm going to do here. I got my mount, pre-drilled my holes. I just need to tighten it up. And this is where my TV is going to sit. So I'm currently at the house and I'm working on this, so we will see how. That is firm on there, so we'll have that, and that is solid. As long as this paneling doesn't come off, but we will see. But I like the way that's snug. All right, so now my mount is installed. This will just, you know, hang there. Well, that'll just hang there. I'm not worried about that because I'll be able to, there's Allen wrenches here and here where you can move them. So I'll move this over to this side and have it facing. So alrighty, we are set up.
Tunnel vision.
And this is free TV right here. All because I have
the mystery
a hotspot.
So,
get you a mobile hotspot
between Pittsburgh
and watch TV for free. It's that's what it is. So I got it set up, and this is all through the internet, so you can watch free TV, whatever's on the
It's
stuff.
almost 800.
It's got movies on here, so
I'm not asking you if it's almost 800. I want the exact number.
$785,370.